Hello, I'm Jana. Today I will show you the most easiest way of preserving food. That we call it freezing. First, we need to clean the food before we put it into the freezer. Keeping food frozen will last longer to use.